Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Digibyte. What's the current price of Digibyte? What's the price changes occurring in the Digibyte? And a lot of people also ask me question about DGB coin, that what is the perfect time to buy, sell or hold DGB coin. So please keep watch this video, because in this video I'm going to discuss the very important update of the Digibyte. So keep watch. Anyways, before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos friends. Now friends, if we look the current price of the Digibyte DGB coin, so 0.070379 USD dollar is the currently price of the DGB coin. On the other side, if we look the price changes occurs in the DGB, so the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week price changes occur in the DGB coin as going negative friends. A lot of holders confused, a lot of holders are worrying about this fast, that why the price of DGB coin are fast down and what should we do, as it is time to buy, sell or hold. So finally friends, I decide for everyone that what is the perfect time friends, on the basis of technical analysis friends. Now as you can see here, that is the last 1 month price chart of the DGB coin. If you look the price changes occur in the DGB, so negative 50.08% price changes occur in the DGB coin. On the other side you can see here, so friends, now if you decide to sell DGB coin at this time, so now absolutely you are in the loss friends. If you decide to sell at this time, so as you can see here, the price change as negative, so you are in the loss friends. And if you hold DGB coin, so maybe there is a chances to they take a jump in the future. So if they jump in the future, so there is a profit for everyone friends, and you are in the profit. So I think it's a perfect time to hold friends. My suggestion, my recommendation for everyone to it's time to hold friends. Anyways, what's your prediction, what's your opinion about DGB coin? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.